Hold on to your hats, science lovers. We're about to blow some minds. Fact hash 1. Did you know there's a lake that turns animals into statues? Lake Natron in Tanzania has such high pH and salt levels it can calcify animals' bodies, turning them into stone. Fact hash 2. How about a fungus that turns ants into zombies? Ophiocordyceps unilateralis infects carpenter ants and makes them climb high before spreading its spores. Creepy, right? Fact hash 3. The world's largest living organism is a fungus. Armillaria ostoyi, covering over 2,200 acres in Oregon, is around 2,400 years old. That's one massive mushroom. Fact hash 4. There's a shark that can live up to 500 years. The Greenland shark is one of the longest living vertebrates on Earth. Talk about longevity. Fact hash 5. Lastly, meet the sea slug that steals chloroplasts from algae. Elysia viridis uses these stolen chloroplasts to produce its own food, surviving for months without eating. Amazing! Stay curious and keep exploring. Why do the oldest animals, strongest bones, and deepest oceans leave us in awe? Let's find out. Meet Jonathan, a 192-year-old tortoise, the oldest living land animal on Earth. Imagine that many birthdays. And speaking of strong, your femur, the thigh bone, is the hardest bone in your body. Superhero status achieved. Ever heard of a parliament of owls? That's what you call a group of these wise birds. And get this, the deepest part of the ocean is a mind-blowing 35,876 feet down. That's like stacking almost 27 Empire State Buildings. Finally, a silverback gorilla can lift over 1,763 pounds. Talk about beast mode. Isn't nature just incredible? Like and follow for more amazing facts. Am I the only one that didn't know Salvador Dali designed the Chupa Chups logo? Let's get into some mind-blowing facts. First up, did you know that winds on Neptune can blow faster than 1,200 miles an hour? That's like a supersonic hairdryer. And speaking of crazy, Salvador Dali, the famous surrealist artist, designed the logo for the Chupa Chups lollipop brand. Talk about sweet art. Hungry for more? The Caesar salad was invented in 1924, not by Julius Caesar, but by a chef named Caesar Cardini. Here's a celestial fact. The sun is about 400 times larger than the moon. Mind equals sign blown. And blink and you might miss this. The average person blinks 14 to 17 times per minute. Like what you heard? Smash that like button and subscribe for more cool facts. If your mushrooms look like light bulbs, you're a nature nerd. Let's dive into 5 fascinating facts you never knew. First up, glowing mushrooms. Yep, certain mushrooms, like the jack-o'-lantern mushroom, glow thanks to a cool chemical reaction. Next, underwater rivers. Believe it or not, streams of water flow right on the ocean floor, carrying sediment and nutrients. Dolphins? They sleep with one eye open. They keep half their brain awake to watch out for predators. Shortest war ever. The Anglo-Zanzibar War in 1896 lasted just 38 minutes. Zanzibar threw in the towel after 12 minutes. Finally, butterflies can't fly if they're cold. They need warmth to get those wings flapping. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Ever wondered why Canadians apologize so much? Let's start with brain freeze. The scientific term is sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. Try saying that 3 times fast. When you eat something cold, the roof of your mouth sends a chill to your brain. Ouch! Now let's talk about Canadians and their love for saying sorry. They say it so often that in 2009 Canada had to pass a law. It says an apology can't be used as evidence of guilt, so keep saying sorry, Canada. And here's a blast from the past. Did you know that when dinosaurs roamed the Earth, volcanoes were erupting on the moon? Talk about out-of-this-world eruptions. Crazy, right? If you enjoyed these fun facts, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Catch you next time. Am I the only one that didn't know Lego minifigures outnumber us humans? Crazy, right? Did you know your tongue is the only muscle attached at just one end? Wild. In Japan, there are schools to teach you how to be funny. Seriously, they started in 1982. Here's a twist. The Bagheera Kiplingi spider is a vegetarian. And, get this, there's a boss in Metal Gear Solid 3 you can beat by not playing for a week. Oh, and Lego? More minifigures than humans. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.